So in some of my previous videos I have done some Animal Crossing character inspired makeups, and I want to do another one today, and I have decided that I'm going to do one of my own villagers, and I'm going to do Gala, the pig. I'm just on the game right now. I don't know if you can see. She's currently crafting something, but very cute looking pig. But here in the background she has a prison cell, some gold, a stack of cash and some safes, and this looks like her office. So I have no idea what this pig is up to and who knows what she's making right now, but I like her. She's very mysterious. She seems to have many layers to her personality. So she's pink, she's cute, so let's do that today. I've actually got a pig nose prosthetic. I didn't make this, I just bought it because I'm lazy sometimes. I'm just going to apply it with some liquid latex. I look ridiculous already. Latex smells really bad and I'm literally putting it directly on my nose, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Just going to put a little bit on the edges to try and blend them a little bit more. Let's paint myself pink. Gala is more of like a baby pink, light pink, so I'm gonna put some white airbrush on top. I'm just grabbing some cream white. Add some shimmer on top. Why not? Why not? Okay, she has got jet black eyebrows, so we're gonna give ourselves jet black eyebrows. Okay, right, she's got rosy cheeks, so I'm gonna do that now. I mean, obviously she doesn't have hair, but I do, so I'm just gonna spray my hair pink. I might make it more natural, but pink's not natural, shut up, Lonnie. Now, I have been super creative, right? I've made some ears out of card and painted the middle and attached some hair clips. Okay, they don't look very real, but then again, Animal Crossing isn't real, so
how dare you.
Alright! She's got a couple of flowers in her hair. She's got a pink one and a green one. I'm just going to try and highlight the face a little bit more.